Give a man a fish and he eats for a day. But teach a man to fish and he eats for a lifetime. My name is Royce Jacob, and here at Waves Capital, I don't want to tell you what to do. I don't want to tell you what to trade. I don't want to tell you what to buy. I want to do my best to teach you how to become a better trader and a better investor. I want to give you the best practices that I've learned over my decade-long career of trading. And I want to give you the principles that I've learned to apply to my trading strategies. Yes, I do give a complete breakdown of my entire personal portfolio. Yes, I update it on a daily basis. And yes, I send out my Trade Alert newsletters explaining why I do what I do. And I know the reality is some of you will likely copy what I'm doing. I do not recommend that, nor do I condone that. But I understand the reality of the markets, and I understand the reality of the product I provide and the humans who buy it. But as I just said, I want you to learn. I want you to learn from my successes and my failures, okay? It's not always smooth sailing. A wise man once said, smooth seas never made for skilled sailors. You have to be able to take on the waves in order to ride the waves, okay? So, if you do want to ride the waves with me, if you want to join Waves Capital, then the link to sign up to my complete portfolio and daily newsletter product is in the description of this video, okay? One last time, I want to teach you how to become a trader and investor. I want to give you some takeaways from my own strategy that you can apply to your own strategy as you grow into your own trader or investor. And if you do choose to join Waves Capital, then we look forward to having you. Welcome to the winning team, and we'll see you there. Until next time, always take action and always make waves. Peace.